Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start 8th question of 10.3. Up to 7th question we already has finished. Now question number 8. What is given? Question number 8. What is given? A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So it is a floor given. A floor which is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. It means it is a rectangle floor. It is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A floor is given. How many squares meters of carpet? Not a square carpet of side 3 meter. Yes, we want to. A square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. We want to lay a square carpet. Everyone know in our home on the floor we lay a carpet also. Yes, but and in the question is given we have to lay a carpet and whose shape is square. Whose shape is square and side of the square carpet is 3 meter. Is 3 meter. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. It means in the question is given, dear, we have to, because it is 4 meter wide, we have to lay a carpet. A carpet which is a square. Yes, and side of the square 3 meter. So we laid a square carpet in the floor. So in the question we have to find how much area is not carpeted. Where is not carpet? Here is not carpet. Yes. Are you understand it? Yes, very simple. For it is our room. Yes, it is our room. 5 meter length and 4 meter wide, and we want to lay a carpet in the floor. So it is, and whose side is 3 meter. So it means how much area is not carpeted. So it means this area is not carpeted. So how will you find? First we will find what is area of room minus area of a square carpet. Understand? So like this one we will find. Understand it? Because how can you find? We know carpet is only in the middle, but outer boundary on the outer side carpet is not. So how will you find? First we will find what is the total area of this room. First we will find total area of this floor minus area of this carpet. Okay, we will find it. Look at. So we will write length of floor 5 meter, breadth wide, breadth of floor 4 meter. And floor in shape of a rectangle. Area of rectangle, everyone know. Length into breadth. Right? Area of floor. How much? L into B. 5 into 4. 20. And meter. And we will write square meter. Always area in square meter. Okay? Square meter, square centimeter. Same as it is. In each side of square carpet. How much? Square carpet side is 3 meter. And in the area of square, side multiply side. So we will write area of square carpet. Always we will write formula in exam also. Okay. So what is 3 multiply 3? What is 9 square meter? It mean total area is 20. It mean you have 20 rupees and you buy some chocolate of the 9 rupees. So how many money is left? 20 minus 9. Same as it is. Total area is 20 and you laid the carpet on how much area? On 9 square. So what is, how many areas remain? 20 minus 9. So right? Area of floor which is not carpeted, which is not a carpeted. How much? How will you find? Area of floor. Area of floor minus area of square carpet. Always write formula dear. Okay. So what is area of floor? 20 minus 9. How much? 1 positive, 1 negative. Different sign. Always subtract. 20 minus 9, 11. And which one is greater? 20. 20 is positive. The answer is also positive. Square meter. It is your answer. Understand it? Very simple question. Okay. Because we want to lay some carpet in the floor. So carpet is only here, but outer side is no carpet. This means total area of room minus area of carpet. Understand it? Next question. Ninth question. Question number 9. Same as it is question number 8. You will do yourself. Only I am explain it. What is given in the question number 9? It is given 5 square flower bed, each of side 1 meter. There are the 5 square flower bed. These are the square. These are the flower bed. Okay. And how many? They are 5. Okay. 5 square. So 5 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square flower bed, each of side 1 meter. It is also 1 meter, 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, and 1 meter. And are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. We have a land which is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide, and all these flower beds are dug in the what is given in a land whose length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. It means these flower bed are dug here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as it is question number 8. Here in the question number 8, on the floor we want to lay a carpet. Here we dug this 5 flower bed. So he is asking what the area of the remaining part of the land. So we have to find the area of remaining part of land. So remaining part of land, this one. Yes. Here is no square. Yes. So we have to find off only this one. How will you find? Total area of rectangle. Total area of, first we will find area of land. Area of land, length into breadth. 5 into 4. How much? 20 meter square. Okay. Next is how many square is given? Right. Each side of square 1 meter. So right. Area of each square. How much? Side into side. 1 multiply 1. How much? 1 meter square. Either you will say meter square, write like this one, or you can write square meter. But total dug is how much? 5. To write area of 5 square dug. How much? Area of 1 square 1, and how many square? 5. So 1 into 5, because area of 1 square 1, area of 5 square 5. So 5 square meter. So what is the area where the remaining part? So remaining part total is 20, and how much is the area of the square? 5. So 20 minus 5, 15. Do yourself. Okay. Answer will come 15. Same as it is question number this one. Now next we will do now question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. By splitting. Splitting means we divide. Okay. splitting the following figures into rectangle. It is a figure given and we have to split in rectangle and squares, find their area. Okay. And it is given and side is given, it is 1 centimeter, it is 3, it is 2, it is 2, it is 4, it is 3, it is 4. So now we have to find. So what we will do? First we will do dear, we will split in rectangles. Okay. So tell me first, suppose it is 3 and if I join like this one it is. If it is 3, so it is also from here to here. Suppose I am giving name A, B, C, D. So C to D total it is 4, but A to B is 3. So this one is also 3. Yes, very good. It is 3. A, B, C, D. It is E. Okay. And it is suppose F. And now total is 4 given. It is 3, so it is 1. Same as it is. And if you join this one, so it is also 1. Yes. Understand it? It is also 1. And its name you can say that A, B, C, D, E, F. It is G name you can give. And tell me AC is how much we will find. It is 3, it is 3, it is how much we will find. Look at. Suppose we will join like this one. It is. If we join this one. And now this one is 2 because it is 2, so it is also 2. And G2, A, B, C, D, G, H, it is suppose H. Understand? It is H. So it is how much? You can say that. It is 2, it is 1. So how much it is? How will you find? Tell me. Yes. Now, it is 2, it is 1. It is also 1. So it is 2 plus 1. It is 3. So it is also 3. So it is also 3. Okay. Now, A, I am giving name. Okay. A. Oh, sorry. It was B. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, and it was 4 given. H, I, J, K. It is L, it is M. All the names we already note down. Now we observe there is the 4 figure. Yes, tell me. It is 3, it is 1. So how much it is? It is 4. Only H to I is remain. Understand it? And in the question it is given 3. It is given 3. Okay, A to C is given, 3 is given. And now tell me, it is 2 here, so it is, and total is 3, so it is remain also. G to B is also 1. Understand it? It is also 1. And now tell me, M to L is 3, it is 1, so G from B to H is how much? It is 2. And it is total is 4, so it is also 2. Now you can find easily. Okay, so there are 4 figure, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we observe they are, if it is 2, so it is also 2. So you can find first area of A, B, C, D. So write area of A, B, C, D square. How much? Area of square, side multiply side. So 3 into, because it is 3, 3, 3. And it is 2 plus 1, it is also 3. So 3 multiply 3. How much? 9 centimeter square. Next is, so 1 is already finished. This one we already finished. Next is area of this one. What is name? G, D, E, F. So write area of G, D, E, F rectangle. How much? Rectangle length into breadth. Length is 2, breadth is 1. So 2 into 1, how much? 2 centimeter square. It is also finished. Now next. GHLM, area of GHLM square. How much? Side into side. It is 3. It is also 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1. So 3 into 3. How much? 9 centimeter square. It is also finished. Now it is remain HIJK. So area of HIJK rectangle. How much? Length into breadth. Its length is 4, breadth is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8 centimeter square. And we have to find total area. So total area, this one area plus this one plus this one plus this one. Right? Total area of figure. How much? 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8. How much? 28 centimeter square. Okay? If you use square, you can say. Otherwise, you can write square centimeter. Both are same. Okay? So it is your answer. Understand it? Understand? Next part, do yourself. Okay? B part. Now, B part you have to do yourself only. What is given in the B part? B part it is given. It is given. It is 1 given. It is 5 given. It is 3 given. It is also 3 given. And one more thing given. It is 3 given. Yes. So we have to find. How will you find? So we will make a rectangle. So suppose like this one. This one. It is also this one. Tell me, if it is 1, so it is also 1. If it is 1, so it is also 1. Total is 5. So from here to here, how much remain? 3. So write A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Area of rectangle 3 into 1. Okay. Next is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Next E, F, G, H, I, J. So area of this one also rectangle. Length is 3, breadth is 1. And same as it is this one. How will you find it? Same as it is, we can find it like this one. Tell me. You can find this one. Okay. Understand it? Total is 3. So find its area yourself. Okay. Try to yourself. Next figure. Question number. In question number 11, only one more part. I will explain it. What you will do? A part. Find its area. Split in the square. So it is given. So this one given. It is 2 given. Total from here to here 12. And from here to here 10. And it is 8. It is 10. It is 2. Very simple. We can do. Yes. Total is 12. So if we will join like this one, it is total from here to here 10. So it is become 2. So area A, B, C, D. So area of A, B, C, D rectangle. Length is 10. Breadth is 2. So it is also 2. 10 into 2. And its area 10 into 2 again. Understand? So do yourself this one also. One more. B part. They are very simple. Okay. I already explained one question. It is given. We have to find of area of this figure. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7. So how will you find? So we will like this one add. We will join. Yes. So tell me, if it is 7, so it is also 7. It is 7, so it is also 7. If it is 7, it is also 7. It is also 7. It means 7, 7, 7, 7. It means it is a 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So area of, we will find area of 1 square and total area in how many square? 5. So multiply by 5. So area of 1 square, side into side, 7 into 7, 49. So total area, how many total square? 5. So 5 into 49. Understand it? So try it yourself also. Now next, last question of this exercise. Important question also. Okay, many times this it is come in exam also. Important question. 12th question. How many tiles whose length and breadth 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth? Yes, everyone know at our home we use tiles in the floor. Yes, suppose it is a floor, beta. It is a floor, and in the first part, length is 100 centimeter, whose length and breadth it is 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter, and tiles is also given, and a tile length and side of a tile is 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So we has to find how many tiles, because tiles where we will use? We will use here tiles, yes, like this one tiles. Yes, like this one or not? Yes. How many tiles we need? So how will you find? It means we are using area. So first we will find what is the total area of floor and area of one tiles. Same as it is, okay? So this one, first we will find length of rectangle. What is given? Region, rectangular region. Length of rectangular region. How much? 100 centimeter. Now breadth of rectangular region 144 centimeter. Understand it? Now, but we want to use of this floor for tiles. Okay, for tiles. So how much tiles we needed to fit in a rectangular region? So where we will fit the tiles? In its region means its area. These are area or not? So we will count like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is very difficult to count. Okay, so how will you find? Look at. So first we will find area of a rectangle. So write area of rectangular region, length into breadth, 100 into 144. So how much? 1400 square centimeter. It is very simple things, beta. Tell me, it is a floor, okay, and its area is 10. How much area? Is 10, and you want to use tile like this one, and area of one tile is 5. So how much tile we need? So total area divide by how many area of one tile? 2 tiles. So one tile. 5 plus 5, how much? 10. Understand? Look at. So now we are using tiles on region. So first we will find the total area of one tiles. So write length of each tile. How much? 12 centimeter. Breadth of each tile 5 centimeter. So we will find area of each tile, length into breadth. How much length? 12 into 5. How much? 60 centimeter square. So square centimeter, you can say that. It is very simple things, but I am asking you, tell me a very simple things, okay? Understand it? Yes. suppose like this one. It is our area. First we will find the total area. Suppose if I say you have 20 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees. Suppose its area is 20. Also 20 centimeter. Same as it is, we will compare. And if I say you have total rupees is 20, and here is total area 14,400. And if I say you want to buy a pen, cost of one pen, area of each tile, cost of one pen is 5 rupees. So how many pens you can find? We will find total rupees divided by cost of one pen. Yes, 20 divided by 5. How much pen? 4. Same as it is. If I say if total area of this rectangular region is 20 centimeter square, and you want to use tile, and area of one tile is 5 centimeter square. So how much tile we will use? Yes, only there are 5 tiles. So it means how many tiles? Because area, total area 20, and area of one tile 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 area is total, and area of one tile 5. How many tiles? There are 4 tiles. So total area divided by area of one tile. So how will you find the number of tiles? How will you find? You write this formula: area, total area of rectangular region divided by area of each tile. How much is total area? 14400 divided by 60. So we will cut now. Understand it? So like this one, 0 cancel by 0, cut by 6. 6 to the 12, 6 for the. So how much number of tiles? So it means 240 tiles you need. You cover this floor like this one. 240 tiles. How much? 240 tiles like this one. Understand it? Understand or not? I hope you understand it. In the B part only. In the B part, in place of 100 is given 70, and in it is given 36. Same as it is. So we will find 70 into 36. In next, whatever we multiply by 6. So B part you will do yourself. Understand it? So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.